So there's a new standard being introduced by the European Union for good manufacturing practice of packaging sterile fluids in glass containers or in any container. It's called Annexe One, and it comes into play 3/4 of the way through 2024, August 2024. And it means that they want to improve the sterility of the package formed with the drug inside. Luckily for us, the BFS process already complies with this Annexe 1. So no further changes are needed. Whereas if you're a glass manufacturer, you have to re-equip your whole line to meet that standard. And that's going to be quite a challenge. Fortunately, BFS already completely complies with Annexe 1, so no further work is needed for this process. And it just proves how amazingly efficient this type of manufacturing is going to be.